Welcome to this guided mindfulness meditation, which you can listen to daily or just as often as you wish, for shorter periods at first or for longer times as you seek to improve. There are many benefits to mindfulness meditation, which you may find for yourself as you continue to practice, and many of these benefits have been studied and scientifically proven to help reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, and stress. Mindfulness can be summarized as a state of focused attention in which we gently train our minds to bring acceptance and a non-judgmental awareness to our moment-to-moment thoughts, feelings, and sensations. So you can find a comfortable position for yourself, and if you are in a chair, then sit upright. And allow your spine to align as much as is comfortable for you. Or you can sit on the floor if you wish. Or you can lie down with your head supported if you need any extra back support. That is also fine. And you may find that as you meditate and your body relaxes, your spine may slightly lengthen and release slowly as any tension between the vertebrae recedes. So once you are ready, allow your eyes to close gently. Beginning to bring your attention to your breath. Becoming aware of your own breathing, and just noticing the in-breath and noticing the out-breath, and noticing if that in-breath is as long as the out-breath. And noticing any activity of your own thoughts. As you allow yourself to begin to observe those thoughts. Without any particular judgment or opinion. As you find your body settles, so too can you allow your thinking mind to settle. And know that there is no rush or timetable here. There is only the present moment. And continue to bring your gently guided awareness always back to your breath. And notice any changes to your own rhythms of breathing, which we call the tidal flow of breath. And if there is tightness or any sensation of tension within you, then just notice that tightness or tension, and note where it may be within your body. And offer your best acceptance to those sensations as you observe them. and gently return your awareness to the breath, watching and observing. And if your mind begins to wander, just notice your thoughts moving elsewhere, perhaps to any attitudes of liking or disliking. Or towards opinions of wanting or not wanting. And just notice directly where your attention wanders to, without judgment, as you allow the focusing part of your mind to continue to witness and observe, becoming mindful of your own thoughts, and then gently guiding your attention back to the breath. Always returning your attention to the breath. Feeling those sensations as the air moves through your nose and down your throat. And notice any different sensations in your stomach as you breathe in and as you release and breathe out. Always letting the breath breathe for itself. As you can let go of any need to control your own breathing. And allow yourself to accept your own breath. Observing yourself as the breath comes and goes. And as your breath continues all by itself. And notice those small sensations across your nostrils as that flow of air continues to move. Feeling the passing of air down through the back of your throat. And into your lungs. In each individual moment, and you can notice any sensations across your tongue, or if you are holding any tension there. As often our tongues can be linked to our thoughts. And any thoughts we are having can be physically linked to those muscles, as if we are about ready to speak those thoughts. And just allow your awareness to gently release and relax that tongue. And you may find that your thoughts can calm down in unison. As your awareness allows that physical tension to recede. And you return your attention to the breath. Simply being here and now. in each existing moment. And you can just notice any other sensations of tightness or tension that may be felt across the forehead. Or tension felt across your cheeks. Or tension noticed in the jaw muscles. And you can allow the body to let go of that tension with each out-breath, always returning your awareness to your own flow of breathing. And if any other tension remains elsewhere in your physical body, then just acknowledge those sensations. And if you can, allow yourself to give space to those sensations. And just offer acceptance within that space to whatever it is that your body is feeling. Always returning awareness back to the breath. And you can let go of any holding or need for control, or for the conscious mind to direct the breath. Or for you to direct this experience as you breathe. Just allow yourself to accept and acknowledge whatever thoughts or feelings or sensations may be trying to rise up in your awareness. As you notice and observe each moment, witnessing where it is that your attention directly flows to. As you become aware of your own awareness, watching your own state of watching, and allowing yourself to accept any distractions that may occur as you gently return to the breath. Breathing in and breathing out. There is no need to push for a certain goal, and there is no need to try for any particular result. There is just the acceptance of living in each moment. As you are returning your awareness to the breath. Feeling the flow of air across your nostrils as that air moves down through the throat and into your chest. And you allow that air to flow outwards again. And just noticing the smaller sensations and the temperatures of that air noting if there are any changes as that air passes out through your nose. Always returning your awareness to the breath. And notice that space of time that exists between each breath. As you breathe in and out. And notice the spaciousness that exists before the breath exhales and before the next inhale. Accepting each moment without judgment, without evaluation. Always returning your attention to your breathing. And you can notice the beginning and the middle and the end of each breath. And notice the coolness of the breath. Or notice the warmth of the breath. Allowing yourself to experience each moment. As you open yourself to pure awareness. Simply being present in the present. And you can let go of holding onto the past and letting go of any particular thoughts towards the future. Just breathing into the present reality. So that you are always bringing your awareness to each part of your breath. Being in the present. And continuing to witness and observe. And now you can return your attention back to the rise and fall of your chest and the sounds of the room about you, and bring yourself back fully to the here and now with your eyes open again.